Go team! I don't know which team. I'd have to find a red and white team and then support them. Hello freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin. Jaime has a sort of monochrome look for us today, except for that pop of bright red. I admit that last episode was the only one of this season where I didn't use the new AI feature on my new app, so this was made by the app, but I think what Jaime liked about it is all the different textures, even though usually Jaime goes for lots of colors. I think all these whites are kind of like a different shade of white or a different texture of white, so we're gonna try it and see how it goes. It seemed like Jaime wanted us to tuck everything in. Don't worry, Jaime, I got you. Yeah, this is gross. I had higher hopes for this, actually. I thought, oh, different textures, that's fun. In the picture, it doesn't look so clashing, but now that I have it on, it's very clearly like grays and white and like off-whites a little more. Ew, it's bad. It's not good at all. And then we have gold hardware here and silver earrings. Ugh. So I think I need to pick. Like, I think we can do white with off-white easily enough. I think the grays are just so much darker in real life that that's just not going to work. So let's try something else on the top. All right, I replaced that gray top with this one since it has a similar neckline, and I don't think we need to be tucking anything into a spandex skirt. And actually, I think I have another skirt that will match even better with this that is not a sporty skirt. Even though the original outfit is mostly sporty, I think I'm just gonna try to do what works. These skirts were all the rage in like the 2010s, and I never got rid of mine because I just like it, even though I don't really wear it anymore. And unfortunately, it has this really cheap big black band here at the top that totally shows through this shirt. And it's not like I want to tuck it in. So I guess we're just gonna see that. I guess if I were wearing this for real, I could wear a camisole underneath and cover that up a little, but we're just gonna leave it. Yeah, it's coming together. It's kind of more of a cream look now, but I think that's fine. We're still playing with different textures. And I'm gonna go ahead and change these silver earrings for something gold to match the hardware on the bag. And maybe play around with other accessory options a little. So I have chosen these gold hoops to replace the silver bars. And then since we lost the hoodie, I thought we could replace it with this red jacket. I know now we have two pops of red, so I'm kind of totally changing the look, but I just love it so much. It's still sporty and then fancy. Eh. Where would I wear this? I would wear this to a track meet as a spectator. Go team! I don't know which team. I'd have to find a red and white team and then support them because I like the colors. Let me know who you think won this look, regular me or high me, and thanks for watching. Make sure you don't miss next week's overly accessorized look.